Okay, so the gearbox is all reassembled, so that worked out well. Yeah, I did some research and I discovered that uh, elves are the ones that help shoemakers. So it must have been the fairies that reassembled my gearbox, and it looks like they brought all the right parts this time, and they put the clutch and alternator all back together properly. There's no leaks. Everything's working perfectly. She hums along. Instead of clicking and clacking, all I hear is whirring and smooth shifts. Oh my God, the shifts. I can shift it with my toe. It just slides into gear. Everything's just working great. But I wanted to take a minute today and do something that seems to be popular with mechanics these days especially, and that is a bit of a rant. I've had a couple of comments and messages from people saying that, oh, you never show the process. You always show what you're doing. And yeah, okay, I get it. But there's a reason why. If you really want to learn the processes and the techniques necessary for tuning up this type or any motorbike, engine, airplane, car, whatever, the information is all there. And you can find, there's hundreds of videos on YouTube showing how to rebuild the gearbox on a Bullet 350, an Albion 4-speed. It's not, if that's what you're looking for. If that's what you're looking for, the information is there. I'm not here to teach, and I'm not here to reiterate what everyone else has already done. I am charting the process and the progress that I make and documenting the problems I found and showing the end result of what I end up with when I'm finished. There's also been a couple of comments on my choice of not sticking to a 100% stock setup. Well, actually, everything is stock, and I've kept the engine and all of the running material original as I can. The only thing I've done is I've taken parts off of it, and I made up this little fender and added some stickers and my friend Duck. But these are personalizations. Everyone has their own view. And I've kept all of the original parts. I have all the stock parts. I can put this bike back to its original stock condition in half a day. So it's still a stock bike in my mind. It's just my personal vision of a perfect little fun bike. So there you go. That's my opinion. Take it as it is.